What's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to register for metaverse and activate multiple levels. So I'm just going to show you. I made a video earlier about the registration, and in that video I explained some of the challenges that the platform was having, and then a lot of people were panicking because they were not sure if their registration was successful, or their activation rather was successful. But with that demonstration, you will see that your activation was successful. Now I'm going to show you how you register and activate more than level 1. Now the registration has improved, the platform has really improved, so the registration is better than what you saw in my previous video if you watched the video. So but with this now, the registration is seamless. I'm just going to show you how you can register and activate multiple levels, how to activate it manually, not waiting to circle out to the next level like that. So I'm just going to show that within the next few minutes, so you can do that if you want to unlock more than level 1 for yourself. And the advantage of this is when you unlock multiple levels, it helps you have more SFC coin, and the SFC coin is going to be the next big thing that will happen to us on this metaverse, because by the time it is fully launched, a lot of people are going to become millionaires with these coins. For those who missed Bitcoin during the Bitcoin era when it started, I tell you, this is an opportunity for you now to have this SFC coin, because it's really going to be a banger by the time it hits fully. And also for people who join PLCU, if you don't know PLCU, PLCU is also a cryptocurrency that launched some months ago, towards the end of last year, 2021. And a lot of people made money from it. So Force Coin is another thing that we should look out for. It's going to turn a lot of people to millionaire. Imagine you have just 5 DAI. That 5 DAI gives you 5 SFC coins. And by the time this coin launches, and let's say one coin is about $1,000, that 5 will give you $5,000 instantly. Then imagine if you have more than 5 SFC coin, if you have like 50, if you have like 100 and all that. So that is the advantage, one of the major advantage rather, of holding this coin or unlocking more levels, because when you do that, you have more of this coin to keep. So guys, without further ado, let me just show you how you can unlock multiple levels on the metaverse. Now if you noticed, I turned off every other currency that is here because I'm not using them. My concentration is metaverse. So these are the things I need for metaverse: the POS stable DAI coin and the Polygon mythic, the SFC coin. If I need any other coin in my trust wallet, I can go on and turn it on. But for the purpose of this business, this is what I need, and this is what I want to deal with for now. That is why you are seeing that I just remove all the distractions to focus on the ones that concern me. So now, to get started with your registration process, what you need to do is get the referral link of your upline. If you don't have a referral link, please check in the description box below. I'll leave my referral link there. You can use my referral link to sign up. So once you get a referral link, which is very important, the next thing you want to do is to come down right here. You come down here and you click on dApps. Okay, you click on dApps. It opens like this. So the next thing you want to do is to paste the referral link here in this search bar. Just long press and paste. Click on paste. When you do that, just tap on that and then it gives you the keyboard. You now click on the check blue mark here. You click that, it will load for you. Okay, so it has loaded. The next thing now you're going to do is to change this here from Ethereum to Polygon. So now we're just going to change it quickly. You click on it. When you click on it, you change it from Ethereum. You can see showing is on Ethereum. So we'll now put it on the Polygon network because it's on the Polygon blockchain. Metaverse is on the Polygon blockchain. So we will just do that. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is to click on sign up now. You tap on sign up now, and then you select the wallet that you want to use. So we are using Trust Wallet. Okay, if you are using MetaMask or you're using Wallet Connect, you can go ahead and click any of those ones, but the wallet we are connecting right now is Trust Wallet. So you just tap on Trust Wallet, and then you click on approve, enter your PIN. Okay, then wait for it to process. Successfully registered. You can see what I'm talking about. So you just register instantly. There's no hassles anymore like what we did in the previous video. So you just click OK. The next thing you want to do right now is to activate this account. Now this is your referral link. You copy your referral link from here. Okay, so you can pass it on to your downlines for them to be able to do their registration as well. So that is how to get your referral link. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to scroll and activate the levels that we want to activate. So now we are here on this classic. So we are going to click on preview now. You click on preview, then you scroll. Now you can see that no level has been activated. Level 1 already is highlighted because you must start from level 1. You can't jump any level. If you want to unlock multiple levels, you first of all unlock level 1. You activate level 1, you activate level 2, then you activate level 3. You follow it in that order. You can't jump any level even if you want to unlock multiple levels or you want to activate multiple levels. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to quickly tap on this activate. So you click on activate, and then you click on proceed. So it will take the amount of mythic and die that is required for this process. So it's going to take 5 die. You can see what is written here. It says you are buying level 1 5 die. Okay, so now we're just going to tap on proceed and then watch it process. So we're going to click on confirm. The first one was approved. This is confirm. Then you enter your PIN again. You just follow the prompt. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. You click on approve. You enter your PIN again. Then you wait for it to process. Boom. Level 1 has been activated. Can you see how seamless and how simple it is? Okay, now you can see that level 2 has been highlighted for activation. So we are going to click on activate to activate level 2. So just click on it and then go through the same process. Click on proceed and wait for it to process. Now it's taking 10 die. Level 1 took 5 die. Level 2 is taking 10 die. Just click on confirm. Enter your PIN. It's processing. Click on approve. Enter your PIN. Yeah. Boom. Level 2 has been activated. Guys, can you see how easy this is? This is not rocket science. Anybody can do this, right? So now let's go ahead and activate. We're going to go ahead right now and activate level 3. So just click on activate and go through the same process. Click on proceed. It's going to take 20 die right now. Okay, confirm your PIN. You wait for it to process. Approve your PIN again. And you can see that we have activated level 1, 2, and 3. So level 4 is highlighted. If you have more die you want to go ahead, you go and do that. Level 4 is 40 die. So when you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so guys, that's how to go about this. You can go on and activate all the levels if you have the resources to do that is you're going to get a lot of SFC coins. So you're going to get a lot of SFC coin if you have to activate multiple levels, and of course you're going to earn as your downlines circle out and join you at various levels. You're going to earn from them, you're going to enjoy spillover. So you've just gone ahead. If you can activate up to level 5, well, that's going to be very good for you, because you're going to have a lot of coins, and then you're going to get yourself set for the NFTs and all that. Okay, so guys, that is how to go about activating multiple levels once you have the die and the mythic that is required to unlock these levels. So it's very easy, it's very straightforward. So use my link in the description box if you do not have a referral link, so you can sign up, and then hit me on WhatsApp so you can join my group for further updates on this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.